I want to show you guys how to do a little bit of soldering here. Here's two cables that I want to join together. Pretty small gauge. It's about an 18 gauge, I assume. I have myself a little alligator clip stand. Here's my third hand, if you would, and a little strip of shrink wrap. So I'll put the shrink wrap on there first, get it out of the way so it doesn't get all hot, and while you're doing this, I don't want it to shrink on you before you put it over the connection. So I'll just take it there and I'll strip back about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and then just twist them together so that there isn't any wires poking out, because it will stay like that once you're done soldering. And just put the assembly here onto your little helper there. Make sure you use some flux. And I'll just set it there right underneath the joint. I'll use the actual solder to scoop a little bit of it up and just put some on the joint. Take yourself a soldering torch. It's pretty neat. It's just a quick on and off little deal here. And just give it a little bit of heat. That's a little bit too high. Now, if you notice, I gave it a little flick to get that extra solder. It creates like a little solder ball when you put a little bit too much on there. And so I just give it a little flick and it'll just knock off the little ball there. So there's the joint there. You just put this over here. And then just, you don't want to put direct heat on it, but just want this to shrink over the joint, and there you have it. We'll squeeze at the ends, and that's what it should look like when you're done. Have a good day.